to the master bath. So this room is amazing, but we are going to renovate it. And as you can see at the very top, we have the soffit, and we're going to remove all of that so it gives the room a more open feel to it. Then we are going to replace this entire tub area. So this will all be taken out, and we are going to perch a tub in the corner of the room, and the entire walls will be more at an angle to provide more square footage in here. And in this corner, we are going to have the stand-up shower. So we are going to remove all of the tiles, the sinks, the cabinets, and we are going to go deeper into the wall so it will be more squared off. And we will have the shower ending right at this corner over here. And it's going to be corbless, which is great. You're not gonna have a step that you're gonna have to step over and stub your toes on. And the floor is gonna be angled, and so all the water runoff will go ahead into the drain. And so for the vanity corner, we are going to also remove the soffit at the very top. We're going to go ahead and add a window so it provides more natural light into the room. This whole mirror is going to be removed for a smaller mirror as well. And the tile is going to be removed and replaced with a lighter quartz as well. And we're going to go ahead and keep the floating vanity as well, and we're going to add like a floating shelf in here. And going over to this section, right now we have an area where you can go ahead and, throw whatever you would like in there, but we're going to remove all of the cabinets, and it's going to be a floating shelf, so it gives it a more modern look. so another beautiful part of the home that we went ahead and renovated was the master bathroom. And I mean, it is amazing. I'm so excited to show you guys what we've done. So go ahead and follow me. Are you guys really ready for this? And welcome to our master bathroom. We have remade the entire room. I mean, there's so much more light here. We've added like a window to the top. There's just, the whole structure of the room is completely different. And so we can go ahead and start off with the shower. And so for our shower, we have this beautiful glass wall. So this goes ahead and keeps them more like open concept, so it doesn't block your view. And then we have all of the different shower fixtures. So we have what's called the waterfall effect, and there's actually two different spouts. So you can have the one on the very closest to the wall is like a spout, an actual waterfall, and the one closer is the actual shower effect. And also what's really great is this whole backboard. So this backboard is huge slabs of Italian porcelain, and the owner wanted to keep the more rustic feel. So you can see there's hints of different colors in here, and it's beautiful. Also, we have a chrome finish to match all the plumbing appliances. And of course, we have the different shelvings. You can go ahead and place whatever you would like there. And then also what's really neat is the floor. So what's really awesome about the floor is you don't see any curbs at all. And curbs are kind of going out of style. Wanted something more a little new age. So what we went ahead and did is we created more of a slant. And where is the drain, you might ask? Well, the drain is this strip right here. And what's really great is all the water just drains into here, and it keeps everything in this area, all the water, so it doesn't go out into the rest of the bathroom. And so on this backsplash, we have these beautiful porcelain slabs. And what's really neat is we've incorporated that beautiful chrome finish. This is a German design that we have incorporated in here. What's also really neat is we were able to put the different little fixtures where you can put your towels. And what's really great over here is the control section. So this control section actually powers this light up here. So not only is this a light, it's actually a ventilation system, and it also works as a heater. So it keeps you warm after you're done with the shower. And what's really great is how the bathtub is actually connected right to the shower area. So what's really convenient is once you get out of the tub is there's all these different levels. So you have the white level that kind of incorporates the feel of the room, and then you have more of this wooden area. And so once you get out, you have this area that you can step onto, and you're not getting the rest of your bathroom wet. And we've incorporated the wood panels, and that incorporates more of like a relaxing spa theme. And so with the jacuzzi area, what's really great is it's a two-person jacuzzi. So you have one headrest here, another headrest right there, and then you have your remote control. And the remote control is great. It actually controls the different the jets, and then as well as the lights in here. So it's really like a spa feel in here. Try to make it feel very cozy and warm. Of course, we have our sink and vanity area, every lady's special place in the home. So what's really neat about this area is on the backsplash, we've also incorporated the chrome German line. And then we also added the window, so that creates more light in here. We also have our LED light mirror, so you can go ahead and turn it on and off. The sinks are really neat too. They're like a waterfall, and you have your little the towel hangers, and we also have a little medicine cabinet, and then of course the actual floating sinks. So it's all one solid slab of quartz, and then on the bottom you also have a floating
concept as well. And we have the soft close shelves as well. And then also on the bottom, we have the LED lights that are under the vanity, and then as well as under the tub. And it creates a very warm environment, gives a great feel to the room. And we've also exchanged the doors. So instead of just a solid white door, we've also incorporated this frosted glass. And then we have the rack where you can go ahead and hang your towels. And we also have a TV, so while you're sitting in the tub soaking up in the bubbles, you also can have something to watch. And in this area is where we had the closed off cabinets, and we removed the closed off cabinets. We retained the area and added a more sleek, modern, open look. And we've have the bottom as a cabinet as well. And so we went ahead and created the same feel in the powder room. So we've incorporated the gray porcelain slab as well as the chrome finish. And of course the LED light. We have the waterfall sink. So we have the two restrooms right here, and instead we've incorporated the wash station, and then we have the amenities over here as well. Thank you so much for watching our show, Vitex, a renovation company. if you would like to please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. We'd really appreciate it. Also, if you were really interested in what you saw today, please go ahead and contact our company. A friendly staff member will be able to assist you. Our contact number is 916-719-0592.